Good morning. This is Muralidhar Reddy, Spandana Institute of Commerce, Vishnu Hyderabad. Now, our present topic is bills of exchange. In that, current subtopic is the when bill was sent for collection, and it is also dishonored and honored cases. If it is honored or dishonored, which bill was sent for the collection? In that case, what entries are required in the books of drawer and drawee? That is our present topic. Okay, I am taking one example. I am explaining one based on one example. That is example 4th. Right, already 3 discussions are over, 3 problems are over. On August 1st, 2018, Mr. X sold goods worth rupees 30,000 on credit basis to Y. X sold goods on credit basis to Y, rupees 30,000. On the same day means August 1st, Mr. X drawn one bill, rupees 20,000, right, for 60 days. For 60 days, on the 60 days, this bill Mr. X sent for collection. Okay, Mr. X drawn one bill for rupees 20,000 for 60 days after received the cash 10,000. Actually, sale value is 30,000. From that, immediately he was collecting 10,000 cash from the Y. For the remaining balance, he was making one bill 20,000 for 60 days only on the Y. This bill on Mr. X means drawer, sent for collection on 29th September, drawn on August 1st for the 60 days period, worth of rupees 20,000. These 20,000 worth of the bill he was sending for collection on September 29th. In the following two cases, pass the journal entries in the books of X and Y they are asking. Case number 1, if on due date bill was honored. Case number 2, if that bill was dishonored on due date and also noting charges incurring unread. Next, from here onwards, I am showing the answer. Nana. First, number 1, bill drawn on 1st August 2018. Next, bill was sent for collection. Sent for collection to banker Nana on 29th, given as 29th of September 2018. Actual bill due date become as it was making on the April 1st for the 60 days. After completion of the 60 days, again we are required to add 3 grace days. Due date become as August 1st to 60 days. 60 days means here by the taking 60. In the considerable in the August 31 days. Remaining balance considerable in the September 29. To the 29 September 29 I am taking it here. For that added 3 grace days become as October 2nd due date. But actually here I am showing one hint. On October 2nd is the Gandhi Jayanti in India. In the India, Gandhi Jayanti, national holiday, pre-defined national holiday. That's why that bill amount payable on one day before. One day before means October 1st. If it is sudden declared holiday, payable date is the due date is the October become as October 3rd. If it is pre-defined holiday, calendar holiday, payable amount payable on the before one day, before the one day to this October 2nd. It will become as October 1st. So now I am showing all the entries in the books of drawer. General entries in the books of the X. X means drawer. Here X means drawer. Name of the drawer called as X. Name of the here I am showing general entries in the books of Y. Y means drawee. Who accept the bill? That fellow name called as a Y. Who making the bill? That fellow name called as a X. Drawer. So drawer previously called as a creditor. Drawee previously called as a drawee. Before accept the bill is a Y name is called as debtor. Next, before acceptance of the bill, X name is called as a creditor. Once bill accepted by the drawee, it will become as drawee. This person become as a drawer, nana. Y become as a drawee. Here, side by side, I am explaining. But in the examination, please by the draw general format like date to particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. So in that, please show the journal entry separate for the honored and dishonored, separate nana. Right, first, but you for your convenience, easiness, I am explaining side by side. Okay, showing side by side. In case of honored, in case of dishonored. First on August 1st, he was selling, Mr. X was selling. These all books are in the books of X nana. X was selling stock to Y nana. Y is the receiver, debit the receiver account, credit the income sales account, Y to sales with 30,000. Here also we can pass the same entry. In case of dishonored also. First entry similar. Second entry also similar. Third entry also similar. Fourth entry can be changed. Okay, so that's why I'm explaining now second entry on August 1st. Now we are making 20,000 rupees bill, and also he was given acceptance nana. So after received the 10,000 out of the 30,000 debt balance. Actually, year sold worth rupees 30,000. From this 30,000, we are collecting 10,000 cash immediately. The 10,000 given the question, right? So that's why I'm debited cash account. From the 30, cash collected 10, remaining receivable value 20. For that, acknowledgement we are receiving on the name of bills receivable. Debit the bills receivable account. Why? Because it is coming. Debit the cash account. Why? Because it is coming as per real account. Both to the both non-applicable rules are real accounts. Credit the giver account. Why? So with the total amount of the debt, being from 30,000 rupees debt, immediately cash collected 10,000, and for the balance amount, what I call making for the 60 days bill and the acceptance received from the Y. That is the narration. Here also same similar. In case of designer also, in the X book similar entry we can pass. First entry we can pass same. Second entry we can pass the same. Third one nana. When it was sending the bills for collection to banker nana. 29th 9 2018. Now our drawer X, this physical document he was handing over to the banker nana for the encashment from the drawing. When it was sent, this received bill we are now handing over to the banker. That's why it was going out. That's for the cancellation here debited I am. For the cancellation now I am showing as a credit to bills receivable 20,000. Now this bill receivable account become to zero. It was converted as sent for collection account. Bill sent for collection account, debit the bill sent for collection account. Why? Because by the collect amount from the drawee banker, from the banker we can collect the cash nana. So that's why when bill was sent to the banker nana for collection, debit the bill sent for collection account, credit the bill receivable account 2020. Same entry here also. In case of designer also we can pass. First entry similar, second entry similar, third entry similar. Being bill receivable was sent to bank for collection on October 1st. It is the due date. Already I am explaining the previous page. October 1st non, actually October 2nd, but October 2nd is the pre-refund holiday. That's why payable date is the October 1st. On October 1st, bill is honoring. Honored means encashing. That's why cash will come. Debit the bank account. Then banker will correct the cash. Debit the bank account. On this bill sent for collection, we are receiving. For the cancellation, bill sent for collection account credit, show as a credit. At the time of bill sent for collection, we are debited. When it was encashing nana for the cancellation, again credit this bill sent for collection account, debit the bank account. Being bill sent for collection was honored. In case of dishonored, here I am created bill sent for collection. Here also I am created bill sent for collection. Similar, right? It is the same. But here I am debited. Honor case bank debited nana. Dishonor case drawee account debit karo nana. Debit the drawee account with the bill amount addition to that noting charges 100. 20,100. Credit the bill sent for collection with 20,000. How much noting charges is payable to the lawyer or notary? That one cash was goes out from us. Credit the cash account. Debit the drawee account. Credit the bill sent for collection. Credit the cash account. Being bill sent for collection was dishonored and noting charges incurred. These all entries are required in the books of drawer. Similarly, drawee nana. So now we are the purchaser. On first, we are purchasing goods. Debit the purchase account, credit the X account, 30/30, being for credit purchase. Here also we can write same entry nana. Next, after that, we are given one of the bill nana, bill payable. We are the purchaser. We are the debtor. So the amount payable to the creditor X. Now we are paying to the X nana. Debit the X account with 30,000. From that, now paying cash 10,000 to credit the cash account 10,000. Remaining balance amount we are accepting bill, that is bills payable account. Total debt balance 30, out of which paying cash 10. Remaining for the remaining balance we are accepting bill, bills payable. X account debtor to cash account to bills payable. Being for 60 days, bills payable was accepted. Being for bills payable was accepted for 60 days. After paid 10,000 cash. After paid 10,000 cash. Next year also similar, same entry. Okay, this two entries same similar. Now, when bill was sent for collection by X, that is related to X and the transaction related to X and banker. It is relevant to the Y. That's why don't pass any entries in the books of Y nana when bill was sent for collection on the 29th 9th. Third entry unnecessary, not required. Don't pass any entry. On the due date. If it is we are honoring means cash paying. Debit the bills payable. Here I am sure what I showed as a liability. That's why I am created here. This credit bill Anna, now we are paying cash. That's why I am debited. Bills payable account at R. To cash 20,000. Being bill payable was honored on the due date. Okay. Next, if it is dishonored Anna, bills debit the bills payable account, debit the noting charges account, credit the these both amounts are payable in future to X. Credit the X account. Bills payable account are with 20,000 total bill amount. Debit the noting charges account 100. This both by the adding this both, how much will come? That amount payable to the X. Being bill payable was dishonored and the noting charges incurred 10,000. Okay.